Today we are going to do footwork drills and exercises to build strength, articulation, and especially balance, something that is essential for all flamenco dancers. If you are more on the beginner side, do as many exercises as you can, rest in between if you need to, and if you have a lot more experience, really focus on that core and getting articulate movement. And be sure to check out all my free resources in the description, and including my 10-day free trial to my Online Flamenco Studio. So let's begin. Okay, so these are fun little exercises that everyone can do, and it's going to hurt so good. So let's just start off with our tacon, with our heels, and remembering that you are just lifting the heels, and you want to make sure that you are really trying to stretch out your toes. So it's super simple, super simple. Relax your knees, abs in. No big deal happening right now, but just you wait. So our goal is to strengthen our footwork. We're not really drilling any specific techniques, but we are just trying to get that balance, flexibility, strength, articulation. All right, so let's kind of bring this up a notch, and we're going to just bend a little bit further. And this is just to build the quads as well, and really to stretch out the toes. And of course, you're never, ever, ever going to do your footwork this slow, okay? It's ridiculous. But, and you'll hurt yourself. But we are going to lift up those heels as an exercise. And you will feel it in your quads. Shake them out if you have to. And now, instead of thinking about how much your quads are hurting, focus on really bringing down that heel. And then come down, and then up. And now, we're going to do little toe taps up. Okay, and now heel. And toe taps. And heels again. All right, so the next one we're going to do, it's really a lot of balancing here. We're just going to start off with talón, punta, talón, punta. So that is the heel with the toe up, and you're just slightly in front of your foot, and then point in the back. Bounce, 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 bounce. And so here, you're going to build up the muscles in your standing leg for balance. So really keep your thighs engaged together and abs in. And butt, squeeze that glute. All right, other side. Belly button in, squeeze the glute, thighs engaged. All right, so now we're going to add a little tacón in that. So we have the talón, standing leg, tacón, punta, point in the back, tacón. So we do this combination of technique all the time, but it's good to really slow it down so you can build the balance Okay, other side. Almost there. All right, so now we want to work on our golpes and being able to get a little bit of speed and control. So we're going to just do double. So alternating. And you want to make sure that your whole foot is flat so that the weight is evenly distributed. And now we're going to double that time. And now we're going to double that. No bouncing. All right. Now when you're doing that, your thighs start kind of going, oh! So you want to start really incorporating those moments of checking in, of like engaging the abs more, breathing, seeing where you can relax, okay? So let's do that sequence again with the golpe. So just double, slow, and remember on this time, we're focusing on being able to power through and to breathe, when it starts getting difficult, to breathe through it, okay? So again, we have slow, and we'll double that. And make sure your feet are parallel. And your knees are going over your toes. And let's go faster. All right, one last one. Okay, shake it out, stretch it out a little bit, lunge, forward, back. Okay, all right, so we were working on our heels before. We're gonna do one last heel exercise, and this is all about balance, balance, balance. So if you need to hold on to something, go for it. But the idea is that you build up the balance. So we're gonna stand on one leg, and we're gonna lift up that heel, and you don't wanna go up into releve. You don't wanna go up with the head. You wanna bend at the knee to get that movement. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's switch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, switch. And switch. Good job. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It is a monthly membership for dancers to learn flamenco from the very beginning all the way through advanced levels. We have courses in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. And if you click here, you can get access to a free 10-day trial. So I hope you dance with us, and I'll see you soon.